All right, so the question we have here is mock jam question 2025. Okay, yeah, jam has already come and gone, but some of these questions, we still have some other exams. We have WAEC, we have NECO, we have NAPTEP. Some of these questions will still come out. It will still come out. This kind of question can come out under a theory question, can come out under theory question. Questions under heat are usually long, and that is why students are mostly scared of questions under heat. But if you understand the concept, they are very easy and simple to solve. In fact, they are very sweet. Okay, now just like this one, this is questions under heat measurement, and under heat measurement it is latent heat of fusion. All right, now before I go ahead to solve this problem, I would like to define latent heat of fusion. Okay, now if you have ice, that is water at its solid stage is ice. Okay, now if the melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius, and that is also the freezing point of ice, freezing point of water, 0 degree Celsius. Is that okay? Now, when ice is melting from its solid state to liquid state, there is no change in temperature. That temperature at which water melt from solid to liquid is what we call latent heat. Latent heat, in other words, means hidden heat. Okay, so you can calculate that latent heat of fusion. All right, so and that is what this question is all about, and that is what we are going to do here. So it says it is the quantity, latent heat of fusion is the quantity of heat required to change a unit mass of a substance from its solid state to its liquid state without any change in temperature. I come again. Latent heat of fusion is the quantity of heat required to change a unit mass of a substance from its solid state to its liquid state without any change in what? In temperature. Okay. So now, having said that, let's solve this problem we have here today. All right. Now the question says an electric heater is used to melt a block of ice of mass 1.5 kg. The mass of the block is 1.5 kg. All right. If the heater is powered by a 12 volt, they gave us voltage of the heater to be 12 volts, 12 volt battery, and a current of 20 amperes. So the current flowing through the heater is 20 ampere. Okay, now calculate the time taken to melt. We should find the time taken to melt the block of ice at 0 degree Celsius. So we are going to look for time taken to melt the block of ice at 0 degrees Celsius, and they gave us specific latent heat. So I will use L to represent specific latent heat of fusion. They gave us to be 336 times 10 raised to power 3 joule per kilogram. Okay, now these are the options given in the question. Now, formula for specific latent heat says that H equals to ml, where m is mass of the substance and L is specific latent heat. Okay, now electrical energy supply or quantity of heat supplied by the electrical appliance, the heater, is given by H is equal to IVT. This is electrical energy supply, right? Now, if I call this 1, I can call this 2. I can make these two equations so that we have ML equals IVT to solve this problem. We are looking for T, and we are looking for it. You can see that the answer is given to us in minutes. So whatever we have, we are going to convert it to minutes. We are going to find the time in seconds and then convert to minutes. The mass is 1.5 multiplied by specific latent heat, which is 336 times 10 raised to power 3 is equal to I is 20 multiplied by V. Our V here is 12 times time. Okay, so from here we can make time subject of formula so that time becomes 1.5 times 336 times 10 raised to the power 3 all over 20 times 12. All right, so let's multiply. If we say 1.5 times 336 exponential 3, that is going to give us 504,000. 504,000 divided by 20 times 12. 20 times 12 is going to give us 240. All right, so that our time is now going to be 504,000. 504,000 divided 240 is going to give us 2100 seconds. So this is our time in seconds. Okay, so we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So since they gave us the options in minutes, we are going to divide this value by 60 so that we can get our answer in minutes. So if we divide by 60, t is going to be 2100 divide 60. Okay, this cancels. We are left with 210 divide 6, and when you do that with your calculator, you are going to have 35. Okay, we can put it in decimal, 35.0 minutes. So this is in minutes. Okay, so our t becomes equal to 35.0 minutes. And that's the answer. Simple as that. So if you cross-check the options, we have option A, 76.0 minutes. No. We have option B, 35.0 minutes. This is the right answer. All right. Thank you so much.